me. Here comes a square with 4 sides so neat, like a box so fun and sweet. A triangle has 3 sides sharp, like a slice of pizza ready to start. Shapes, shapes, we'll see them all, big and small, short and tall. Shapes, shapes, come and play, join the parade today. A rectangle is long and wide, like a picture frame you can put inside. A star twinkling